Hello guys, welcome to part 2 of the Discord tutorial server. Today, last time, we made two different roles. We made an owner role and a member role. We made three different channels. We made a voice channel, we made a text channel, and a channel where only the owners can type, so they can put important stuff here and other people aren't going to be able to write other things here. Today, we're going to invite a music bot to the server, and we're gonna make a bot commands channel where only the bot can type, and also we're gonna make some categories so everything's nice and organized. As you can see, it's all at the same here. It's not really clear what's what and stuff. We'll fix that, and we're gonna make a welcome channel so when people join they get a warm welcome. Let's start off with that. How do we do that? So this channel is going to be a chat where every time someone joins, an automated message welcomes them. So what we're going to do, we're going to right click this space here, we're going to click create channel, we're going to call it welcome, we're going to create a channel. We want that everyone doesn't have the ability to type here except like the automated message. So what we're going to do is we're going to add everyone, and we're going to send message, and we're going to put that off. We can put all this off. They are going to be able to read the messages off. This is on because they can read the old messages. Off, on. They can add reactions. Save changes. So now no one here except me, because I have the administrator permission. As we discussed last time, administrators can bypass every single permission. So this channel now is only the automated message can type here. But if someone joins right now, there won't be any message. As you can see, I'll just join the server again. We'll go to here. We're gonna join the server again. As you can see, nothing here in this chat has typed. But if I leave the server again, and then we're going to here, we're going to server settings, and we're going to overview, we're going to new member messages channel, and we're going to click here, and we're selecting the welcome channel because we want it to be in welcome. Then we save the changes, and now when my alt joins, it welcomes them here. As you can see, my Yodis alt has joined the server. It's super effective, and this message can be basically anything. So I'll show off another one. I'll leave the server here, and then join back again. And then it's dangerous to go alone. Take my Yodis alt. And there are a lot of others also, like welcome my Yodis alt. We hope you brought pizza. All that kind of stuff. I'm gonna give my alt the member role again. Okay, so we made the welcome chat. Now, sometimes when you're in music or in a channel and you're like pretty much bored, you want some music. So we're going to add the rhythm bot now. So we're going to Chrome. We're going to rhythmbot.co, as you can see here. Then we're going to go to this red thing here, invite rhythm. This sends you to a link where you can invite the bot. You need to select the right server. It's gonna be the tutorial server for now. You shouldn't give him, well, you can basically type whatever you want. So this checkbox basically makes the rhythm be an administrator. It could work, it could not. If you want a channel where, if you want like a specific channel where, and that's like the only channel rhythm can talk, put this off. If you want him to be able to talk anywhere, everywhere, just put it on. I'm just gonna put it on for now. You can put it off. So then we're going to yeah, I can speak English. We're gonna do the reCAPTCHA thing to confirm we're not a bot. And now rhythm is in our Discord server. As you can see here, rhythm joined the server. So his prefix currently is a exclamation point. So That basically means if I want to play a song, I have to do exclamation point play, and then basically any song I want. But if I want to change this prefix, say to a dash, or like an equals, I'll do slash settings prefix, and then equals. So now the prefix is equals. Now I can do equals play Mine Diamonds, and it's gonna play Mine Diamonds. I'm gonna save your ears. I'm not gonna listen to this whole song. So you can just stop it. If you need help with all the commands, you can do now it's equals help, and it sends you this link, and that this link basically gives you a list of all the commands that are here. You can go to them yourself. I'm not gonna go over them. So basically now we have a rhythm build, and that's if you're just bored or you're talking to other people and you want music, you can just listen to that. So I'm gonna leave the voice channel. If I want the rhythm bot to leave, I can do equals leave. It'll also leave over time if it plays for about like 2 minutes without. If it's for 2 minutes in a voice channel without playing any songs, it automatically disconnected. So as you can see, this is like the main chat where every talk is gonna be. But now all these commands are also in this chat, and you probably don't want that if your server is gonna get bigger, because that'll be really annoying. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create a new channel. We're gonna call this bot commands, text channel of course. And now we're gonna give this rhythm bot. Oh, I actually gave it the administrator role. I shouldn't do that. I'm going to roles, go to rhythm, and I'm gonna put off the administrator thing right now. Now I'm gonna make this channel so rhythm can only type here. So I'm gonna go to the rhythm role, and I'm gonna not give it the permission to type anywhere. Blah. Rhythm can speak. That's allowed. It can connect to servers if they want. But that's it. We're not giving it the permission to send messages anywhere, and also not see text and voice channels. That way, rhythm can't like, it can't transfer your command. It can't like do something with your command if it's not in the right channel. So right now, if I'm gonna type here, like, I'm gonna turn it on and like play Despacito, it works. Okay, that was pretty anticlimactic. Anyway, what? Wait a second. Okay, so I think I understand what I did wrong. Basically, rhythm also has the add everyone thing, and add everyone can like see all the messages and stuff, and they can read it and stuff. But we want rhythm to not be able to do that in any chat except bot commands. So what we gotta do is we gotta go to bot commands, and we're gonna go to permissions. I showed this before. I'm gonna go to rhythm, and here I'm gonna just put everything on except the text to speak and the manage things. Yeah, you can all do this. Blah blah blah. Blah, yes. So, but I'm not gonna do this. I'm gonna disable all of this. In for example game chat. So no, you can't do anything. Like that. So now basically, if I type in here, and I'm going to type like play. Oh my god. Stop. I don't want to hear Despacito. Okay. If I'm going to game chat right now and I do like play it's every day, bro. As you can see, it doesn't work. I have to go to bot commands, and I can do /play. It's every day, bro. Now it works. Again, I'm gonna save your ears. I'm not gonna let you listen to this song. So now we invited Rhythmbot to our server, and we made it so so you can only put the commands in bot commands. Okay, so the server is already starting to look like a real server. The only thing we need is members, but you can get the members yourself. I'm not gonna do that because that takes time. But the last thing we're gonna do in this episode is we're gonna get categories. So we're gonna right click here. We're gonna do create category, and we're gonna do new members. I'll do it caps, new members. So this category, we're gonna put welcome in it, and info and announcements. Oh. Yes, I do. Yes. Can this please work? Okay, thanks. So now we're gonna make another category, and we're gonna call it gaming. Yes, you should name this better, but I'm just gonna call it gaming. Yes. We're gonna put all the other chats in here. Blah blah blah. Yeah, it up. And we're gonna put the lounge in here too. Like that. So now it's already organized. You can see when new members join, they get the welcome chat, and they also can read like the important things and info and announcements. There's nothing in it right now, but there will be. And here in gaming, yes, they can just type like, yo, what's up guys, who wanna play? Of course no one's gonna play with me because there's no one here except me. Now we made this episode, we made categories, we made a bot commands channel, we invited Rhythm to our server, so now we have a music bot, and we made a welcome channel. Next time is gonna be more in depth. I'm gonna invite the Rhythm bot and I'm gonna make custom commands. Next episode is gonna be a little bit harder than all these ones. It's a little more advanced. Right now our server is just small, but this is basically the template for if you want a bigger server. With bigger servers, you can get you can make like lots of those channels. As you can see in this server, we basically did that with like a lot of things there. And but I'm not gonna do this right now. You can just mess around with that yourself. You can make more roles. I showed you how to make more roles. You can just mess around with permissions and stuff a bit. Just try to keep it nice and organized because that just looks way better. With categories, it already looks way better than in the beginning, where every channel was just like there without making it sorted. So thanks for watching this episode. Next episode will be a little bit harder. Have a good one.